The 2024 Renault Rafale Esprit Alpine stands as a testament to Renault's prowess in automotive design and engineering. As the brand's flagship SUV, it embodies a blend of elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology. Its striking alpine blue finish not only adds to its visual appeal but also resonates with Renault's rich heritage in motorsports and design. The vehicle's dimensions, with a length of 4.7 meters, ensure a commanding road presence while also providing ample interior space for passengers. This is further complemented by a generous trunk capacity of 647 liters, catering to both daily commutes and long road trips. The Rafale Esprit Alpine is not just about aesthetics, it's designed with practicality in mind. Inside the cabin, drivers are greeted with a state-of-the-art 12.3-inch digital cockpit and a 12-inch main touchscreen. These features offer a user-friendly interface, ensuring that all essential information and entertainment options are just a touch away. The emphasis on digital integration signifies Renault's forward-thinking approach to in-car technology. Under the hood, the Rafale Esprit Alpine boasts an E-Tech full hybrid 200-horsepower engine. This powertrain combines a 1.2-liter 130-horsepower engine and electric engines, showcasing Renault's commitment to sustainable mobility. The hybrid system, with its 2 kilowatt-hour battery operating at 400 volts, promises efficient performance without compromising on power. On the performance front, the SUV impresses with its ability to sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a mere 8.8 seconds. Its top speed of 174 kilometers per hour ensures that it can hold its own on highways and open roads. For enthusiasts seeking more power, Renault has hinted at an E-Tech 4x4 300-horsepower variant, which will be introduced later. The Rafale Esprit Alpine addresses this with its LED matrix vision lights. These lights not only enhance the vehicle's aesthetic appeal, but also provide superior road illumination, especially during nighttime drives or in low-visibility conditions. The 2024 Renault Rafale is a culmination of Renault's expertise in design, engineering, and technology. It offers a holistic driving experience, balancing style, performance, and sustainability. Whether navigating city streets or exploring the open road, this SUV promises to be a reliable and stylish companion. Premium materials are used throughout the cabin, ensuring that passengers are enveloped in comfort during their journeys. The meticulous attention to detail is evident in the ergonomic layout of controls, the quality of the upholstery, and the ambient lighting options, which allow drivers and passengers to customize the cabin's mood to their liking. The SUV also boasts advanced noise insulation techniques, ensuring a serene and quiet ride, even at high speeds or on rough terrains. Additionally, the SUV comes with a suite of driver assist technologies, further enhancing safety and driving convenience. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist, the Rafale Esprit Alpine is designed to support the driver in various scenarios, making every journey smoother and more enjoyable. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.